The funny part, you can work it a little bit. The funny thing is, as soon as that thing gets a vacuum and there's no moisture, the only way it's coming loose is if you grab it and pull the absolute crap out of it. Let's see here. I'm gonna check this out. Alright, pull you off the help you section, see if you can't break the seal. Double, triple it up, quad it up, whatever. I'm quadding it up. Yes, they said it's gonna come off. Here we are 13,000 miles later, pulling on it pretty hard. Are you faking what you were doing there? Was that being faked? You see that? It's not being faked, it's for real. Alright, you can either break the seal of the epoxy or that glossy PPF. If it can. I see the gloss. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Working pretty alright. Woo! LeBron from downtown. Grab good old fashioned fries over me. Flat action going on. Hold on for 1 second, big dough. As soon as this thing gets broken loose, it's going to play nice. There it goes. All I'll do is just move this stack. Got anything going on this weekend at this point? Alright, coming your way. Do you have... Oh, you can't do that without the cord coming, bro! Oh, see? See? Old man Corcoran knows what he's talking about, doesn't he? Better know. I got it. I got it. It's all good. It's a little bit out of time. It's almost like it's not my first rodeo. Almost, right? Let's come the other way a little bit. It's gonna break loose. That's not gonna hold. Remember that time I told you about how on the forum they said that? Remember that time I said that? And they were wrong? The clear balls, like where it's glued on. Who we have that? I'm sure that's the clear bra. All right, let's try. See if our Floss-A-Do will give us some favorable results. Wait. Bring on through the other side. Bring on through the other side. Bring on through. You can't control it. You can't do that. It's all about. Tell you what don't you come over here, and we're going to gently together. Like you'll be here, you'll be here. There we go. That's what we're talking about. That's all right. It's a piece of garbage. Come over to this side. Very gentle. Let's do it now. The part that's important is that it's right here. I don't care about this. You can always replace this kind of stuff. So, let's keep doing. Let's go, big dog. You see a problem?
No, it's just
okay. So this part of it is you see how my hands are? I want your hands about the same. Don't do this because that's too much pressure on one spot. It's gentle. Let's go that way. No, don't press forward. I like my fingertips. I'm trying to get under it on the tip here. That way? Alright, let's go back to this side. I'll wait for your is out. Okay, and make sure you're not rolling, you're lifting, alright? What is it? See? Oh, that's the PP of relax it a little bit. Relax it. Yeah, there's a limit to what this is going to do. So if you see it as one track mind, we got to get it off. We're going to cause problems with this stuff. If I have to, I can get some tin snips and just cut it and then peel it back. Oh, what's that with me? This. All right, I'm good. soft plastic, right? Let's see if it'll behave now. Gentle goes it, honey. Clear bottom on that part. Here, grab it going up the glossy part. Alright, hold on. No. Just hold it. You got it. Don't let go, please. I love my fingers. Alright, hold on. If you keep lifting like it's totally old here. No, please don't lift it. Yeah. Now, this is garbage PPF. Look at that. It totally separated. Look at that. How's about that? Alright, back up. Watch your eyes. Like a glove. Alright, so here we go. The proof is in the pudding. Especially with a cheap knockoff carbon fiber part. Falls apart. There's going to be no damage to this lid. This is not glossy paint showing through. This is the glossy paint protection film. If I were to line this up, I haven't inspected it. I happen to know that. So approximately here, there's going to be a piece of PPF missing, and there's where it's missing. That's the adhesive. That's what I'm saying. It's the adhesive. It's not just the adhesive. It's the adhesive all the way to the top coat. It's totally gone. But this is going to peel off, and we're left with just, I'm going to grab an appropriate ratty towel because this is all garbage now. You can see that we are able to, the most important part is the car. Same here, it's some adhesive. But the base layer of PPF has done its job. I'm going to get a little adhesive remover on that and then just kind of wipe down all of this through here. I'm not going to act as though I knew exactly what to expect with this. This was very much a proof of concept for how We've got a base layer of protection for the paint. The satin PPF, you may be able to, I can't see what you're seeing, but I see what I'm seeing. I can see some squiggly lines. That's etched into the film, not clear coat.
I said clear.
Okay, I thought you said clear coat, I'm sorry. But the important thing is that the paint itself is protected, and what we have here are superficial funk nastiness in the film. We are currently wrapping the whole car on top of satin with glossy PPF, but I'm guessing I'm probably going to have to pull this back off because
Is there anything else you need?
no way to make this look normal. Going back with the stock piece here. There's no way to salvage this line, I don't think. So we will reassess what's going on here in a little bit. Certainly don't want the glossy on top looking wonky dude. Anyways, there you go. So you can see, proof of concept, it works. We went 13,000 miles about with this process, and the car spent a significant amount of time outside. It's reversible. We lost the part, it was a cheap part, but we have proof of concept here. Thanks for watching.
Is there anything else you need?
What time is it?